Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a new 2018 Chevy Volt. For the month of April, Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers the option between 18% off or 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $1,500 added on. Now this is for all 2018 Chevy Volts. Now this vehicle comes equipped with an electric charge while also giving the customer the option to use regular gas right there. Now when it comes for the electric charge, that's going to be located up at the front of the vehicle. It does have 17 by 7 inch wheels, and when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that it does have jet black leather seating, a leather center console, leather back seat with cup holders, your Chevy MyLink radio, heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.